फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग। पेंडेमिक के बाद इतने सारे केसेस है, आप फिर भी आए। मेरे पे भी बाहर इतने सारे केसेस है। जोक मोस्टली फिक्शनल होते हैं, आप लोग सबको पता है राइट, कि जो फिक्शनल होते हैं झूठ होते हैं, ठीक है। तो इस हफ्ते वेस्ट बंगाल में स्टेज पे खड़े रह के झूठ बोलने वाला मैं पहला गुजराती नहीं रहूँगा।
What the police often does is that the police advises the organizers or the venue owners to not go ahead, with the show because they fear that there might be a law and order situation. Now we all know how things operate, and we know that a signal like this from the police is really is a very clear indication that it's not in favor of the show being happening. And I've spoken to organizers of some of these shows, and they tell me that when the police tell the organizers that that might be a law and order issue, there is no way that the organizer is then going to go ahead, because if there is an issue that does erupt the next day, the police can very well sort of back its own self and say that we'd already warned you that there could have been something like this that happened, so why did you allow the show to happen?
सर जस्ट लेट हिम स्पीक यार, उनको कहने दीजिए।
एक हैशटैग देखा, गो बैक मुनव्वर, पाकिस्तान चले जाओ, तुम्हारा देश नहीं है। ये चीज़ किसी को अच्छी नहीं लगी जो ये देश में रहता हो तो जाहिर सी बात है मुझे भी ये चीज़ बहुत हॉन्ट कर रही है, तकलीफ दे रही है। कुछ नहीं किया यार, कुछ भी नहीं किया, जस्ट वही पुरानी चीज़ को लेके वापस सेम चीज़ रिपीट कर रहे, एनर्जी वेस्ट कर रहे, हेट फैला रहे, सीधा एक मॉब को भेज रहे सीधा सीधा कि जाओ इसको ये कर दो, गाली दे दो। क्यों?
When I spoke to Eklavya Gaur, who was the complainant in the case and the son of a BJP MLA there, he told me that they were trying to track whenever Munawar comes down to Madhya Pradesh, whenever he comes to Indore, they were tracking him down constantly. They were waiting for him to come, and as soon as they heard that he was coming, they decided that they are going to trap him in that circumstance. So right from there to now, what we're seeing and what is important to not miss and not forget is that behind all of these cancellations, there's an invisible web of coordination. There's an invisible web of constantly exchanging notes between Hindu right-wing vigilantes from different states. There are phone calls that are made. Hindu vigilante group members go to some of these venues, physically try and threaten or intimidate the venue owners. They go to the police stations. They try and tell them that if the show goes on, then the groups might have to take recourse to their own measures. So there is a lot of coordination that is happening behind all of these cancellations.
As an artist, I'm getting stronger. As a person, I'm sad. As a person, as a human, I'm sad. Supreme Court जब मुझे काम के लिए नहीं रोक रहा है, Supreme Court allows me to work. How can somebody stop me for doing work?
It's been 11 months since Munawar and the others were arrested, but there has been no charge sheet in the matter so far. The police has failed to come up with a consolidated list of accusations. It has failed to come up with, you know, a list of evidences that it can present to the court and support the contention that Munawar did make those remarks. So when you talk of the law enforcing agencies, it's not just the police in Mumbai, it's not just the police in Bengaluru, which have failed to protect Munawar's liberties as an artist, but it's in a way, it's also authorities right from the Indore police to the UP police, which have constantly sought to target Munawar. One of the things that they clearly understand very, very well is that if they keep targeting different venues, if they keep targeting, you know, the owners of the auditorium, if they keep targeting organizers of, you know, shows of Munawar Farooqi, they'll realize that, you know, every time a show is cancelled, there are heavy financial costs that all of these people have to incur. And this is in some ways, you know, a punishment of sorts, because every time the show is cancelled, all of these people, you know, have to bear losses. And it's a signal that the next time they want to do something like this, they shouldn't back a performer like Munawar Farooqi. In the interview, Munawar Farooqi was very clear that, you know, he's not someone who's willing to now sober down his content or tone it down. And, you know, he said a stand-up comic never does tone down. You know, it's his, that's really what makes his art so valuable.
तो डेफिनेटली पॉलिटिकल सटायर तो एक बढ़िया चीज़ है, लोगों को, समझदार लोगों का जॉनर है वो, कि उनको पसंद आता है पॉलिटिकल सटायर. तो टोन डाउन तो मुनव्वर इकबाल फारूकी ने नहीं किया शायद.
One does wonder, because when we spoke to him the last time, only 6 of his shows had been cancelled. And I say only 6 because now we've reached 12 shows. 12 cancellations back to back in a span of only 2 months. His religious identity comes at the forefront when it comes to him being the target of all of this vicious trolling, vicious abuse, and the targeting and the hounding that happens.